Gulf well produces packers which are very easy to set and retrieve in well bores by hydraulic operation. Gulf wells packers run with hydraulic setting tools and retrieving is done independently from the tubing, using a retrieving tool manipulated on a work string. This packer is ideally suited for highly deviated well both onshore and offshore. Gulf wells hydraulic retrievable seal bore packer can be used both in oil producing well and water or gas injection well. Gulf wells packer run and set with the production tubing. To set packers at first setting pistons are loaded against setting sleeve. Then first shear is tightly clamped against setting sleeve. Hydraulic setting eliminates the requirement for spacing out and opening and closing with the help of setting sleeves for the displacement of fluids. Then the second shear is also clamped against setting sleeve. And then the third shear is clamp-led. Now the barrel sleeve is fully engaged and packer setting is completed. Now let us look how easy it is also to retrieve Gulf well packers. The retrieval is independent of the tubing using a retrieval tool. To retrieve the packer, a collect is inserted which latches on packer's top connection thread. And then the first shear is released. And then the collect fingers located at packer retrieving recess. After that mandrel collect fingers collapse. First pickup happens. Second pickup happens. Cone gets released and collect fingers collapsed. And with this packer retrieval is completed. To know more about Gulf wells packers solution, please email us at sunny@gulfwell.ae. You can also call at 971565498512.